Welcome everyone. We have seen about the indefinite articles rules. Okay, few rules we have seen. So remaining rules we will be seeing in today's session. But before starting with the rules, we will see the answers for exercise number 3. Woman is standing against the wall. Answer is a woman is standing against the wall. She goes to university in Karnataka. She goes to a university in Karnataka. Man is kicking the ball. A man is kicking the ball. Then fourth one is she is honest woman. She is an honest woman. I saw elephant. I saw an elephant. She is Indian freedom fighter. She is an Indian freedom fighter. She is Italian. She is an Italian. She is intelligent girl. She is an intelligent girl. It goes 50 miles hour. It goes 50 miles an hour. I have car. I have a car. And now we will see the rules, article rules for indefinite article a and an, the continuation of previous session. So the fourth rule here is a or an is used to refer to numbers sometimes. So ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸತಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರನೂ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಸಿ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ದ ಬಾಯ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್. ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಒನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ಒನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಗೆ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೇ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಶಿ ಡ್ರೋವ್ 100 kilometers in an hour. So here also the basic rule of indefinite article is the vowel sounding, consonant sounding, whatever I had told in the first rule applies for everywhere. Okay, ನೀವು only ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅದು vowel sound ಇದೆನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ consonant sound ಇದೆನಾ. vowel sound ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ, consonant sound ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ. So here she drove 100 kilometers in an hour. So in an ಅಂತ ಬಂದರೆ ಇದು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 hour. Okay, it is equal to 1 hour. So hope you know this one, that anta bandaga, say for example, a day has 24 hours. It means one day has 24 hours. Anta bandaga usually it refers to number, say for and that number is 1. So next rule here is a or an precedes descriptive adjective. Okay, so you know what is adjective. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ವಸ್ತುನ, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ನೌನ್ನ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ, okay, when you describe something we call it as adjective. So that before that a or an comes. Example, she is an amazing singer. Okay, the amazing is adjective, descriptive adjective. We are using she is an amazing, she is an amazing. So here also you are using an before a vowel sound. An amazing. So describe ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ನೌನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್, indefinite ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ವಾಟ್ ಅ ನೈಸ್ ಹೌಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಅ ನೈಸ್ ಹೌಸ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಹೌಸ್. ಒಂದು ಮನೇನ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್, ವಾಟ್ ಅ ನೈಸ್ ಹೌಸ್. ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕಾನ್ಸೊನೆಂಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್. Okay, hope you are getting the difference. Now ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, you will come to know the difference between where to use an and where to use a. The next one is it is used with the determiners. Okay, say for example few, lot, most. Okay, few, lot, most ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಈ ಥರ ಡಿಟರ್ಮೈನರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ we use the indefinite articles a or an. Example, there is a little food in the plate. Very little. Okay, a little food is there on the plate. Okay, this is what is one of the example. I have a few guests coming over. Salpe guests ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, so here you can see that with the determiners we are using the articles a or an. So this is all about the indefinite article rules. Okay, indefinite article rules 6 idave. We have dealt with 3 rules in the previous session, and today's session we have dealt with the 3 another rules. So now we will see the exercise of these 3 rules. So the exercise number 4 questions are like this. The girl is playing with doll. She should give me 100 rupees. R has 60 minutes. There is little water in the pond. She is cute girl. I have lot of money in my bank. Day has 24 hours. She is amazing player. What nice car. He is nice man. Hope you'll answer these questions and keep it ready so that you can see in the next session the answers for all these questions. Thank you once again, and let's meet in the next session.